So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber CEO became an undercover boss in a used Tesla. So this dude, he chose of all cars to do, oh, let's try out being an Uber driver for a day. He chose to use a freaking Tesla. Like as if that's the experience that most drivers have. No.
Yeah, because he's not going to be like an actual like everyday regular driver.
He should have gotten a used 2015 Honda Civic that barely gets any gas mileage. This dude, like, I'm sure it was fully charged when he got it. Fully clean, detailed. He gets in la-di-da-di-da. Oh, here's my experience in a used Tesla. Oh, probably had 4 miles on it.
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
So let's see what happened with that.
Love your strategies, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. So yeah, well, let's see what happened. You read that part?
So Uber CEO moonlighted as a driver last September to better understand why recruitment was an issue.
What's up with this verbiage here? Moonlighted?
I don't even know what that means.
Oh, Uber CEO moonlighted.
So he told the Wall Street Journal he encountered problems that discouraged drivers. He also found that some passengers were rude and acted like they were alone in the car. Well, no shoot.
Yeah, dude.
Sherlock. Like, of course there's going to be rude passengers. Like, that's literally any job you have where you're dealing with people, you're always going to run into rude people.
Yeah, and it's not like you're supposed to talk to the driver. Like, you can just get in there and sit on your phone. Like, it's not he's acting as if it's the passenger's job to be nice to him and
Has
talk
he never
to him.
taken an Uber before?
It just goes to show, like, how
he's just out of touch with reality. Literally.
And these are the people who he depends on for his income.
Yeah.
That's how he has millions of dollars, is from drivers. And he finally decided to become a driver after years. It's like, dude. It's just a slap in the face.
He should have already been done this, like,
on day one or before. This should have been part of the job interview.
Like, you have to be an Uber driver to qualify as a CEO.
He is pushing Uber drivers to drive a Tesla. Ooh, that's a good point. Mm-hmm. Part-time Uber driver, 8 months, enjoying it so far. Nakia, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. You want to read that part?
Which part?
Just the whole thing.
Oh, so Uber CEO moonlighted, whatever that means, as a driver to find out why the company was having trouble signing up more drivers. He was surprised to find out how many issues there were and how unpleasant some riders could be. He told Wall Street Journal he had secretly signed up to be a driver in September, and the company had traditionally focused on the rider experience, but he said it also needed to win the hearts and minds of drivers to maintain its lead over rivals such as Lyft. This is all, like, we already knew this. I don't know why they're acting like this is a new, like, he had some type of epiphany, like, oh, we should start caring about drivers now. Like, you should have already been cared about them.
He bought a Tesla Model Y. It's
That's like the nicest Tesla you can get.
He bought a secondhand Tesla Model Y. Oh, whippity freaking do, bro. Like, he's trying to relate to drivers by...
And he was driving around San Francisco.
He's going out and buying like a $60,000 used Tesla Model Y and made deliveries. Oh, he's just doing deliveries?
What?
Oh, he did Uber and Uber Eats, I guess.
Oh.
Customers' behavior unpleasantly surprised. Okay, that's like a joke.
That's not a surprise.
Yeah, if he's surprised that drivers, like, does he just think that every single ride is like a fairy tale land?
Does he not listen to any of the drivers? Like, people are always talking about this.
He should go on YouTube and like
literally
watch our channel.
For real.
He made food deliveries using an electric bike? What?
Oh, tip baiting. He encountered tip baiting.
Huh. Interesting. Another passenger recognized the CEO on one of his Uber shifts, asked him for advice on his startup. He had a 5-star rating for 100 rides and deliveries.
Oh wow, he did 100 of those? I thought maybe he would have only done like a couple.
How long did he do this for? Did he do this for
like he started in September.
Oh, so he's just been doing... Oh, he started in September.
I mean, that was still like...
So it took him 6 months to do 100 rides. He'd go to bed anxious about maintaining his perfect rating the next day. Like that matters to him. Anyways. Yeah, I mean, it's... yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, guys. But in our opinion, it's just... I mean, I'd speak for myself, but it just seems like he's trying to relate to drivers, but like... He doesn't know what it's really like to depend on this for your income.
Especially in a Tesla Model Y.
Yeah, of course he's going to have a 5-star.
Buying one of those was probably like a penny to him.
You know what? Uber CEO, you know what I have to say about that? You're canceled. You're canceled, bro. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.